Today is the Remembrance Day for all road victims from all over the world. There are many road casualties, way too many. Just recently, over 40 people lost their lives in France. No matter what we do, in spite of the decreasing statistics of road fatalities, 70 people still die every day on European roads. But it's not about statistics. Behind these numbers are grieving families, lots of sadness, and lost future. In many countries, memorials for road victims have been established. I find this initiative particularly touching. And there is a lot of work for all of us to do in the future, on operational, strategic level, on a day-to-day basis. Especially we need to pay additional attention to those the most vulnerable in road transport, pedestrians and cyclists. I'm sure that zero fatalities on European roads is still the right goal. And I'm also convinced that if we work together, hand in hand, every day, in every member state, we will achieve it in our lifetime.